Hey guys, we received this Artistro watercolor paint set for test and try. So they are the 48 vivid colors in portable box. Palette set with including metallic and fluorescent colors. Perfect travel watercolor set for artists or hobbyists or anyone. So you can see this also comes with 10 watercolor paper that you can use and a really nice storage travel case for the 48 colors. So this is all metal, easily sealed up. So this is just for the color thing, and this is the whole color stuff. This is the sponge. So as you can see, this have a brush, a black marker, and a water brush. So this is a water brush that you can put in the water inside, and you can use it as a brush. So these are the total color thing, and these are the actual colors. So they are the unique palette, as you can see it here, and feel, and then you can use it for the different purpose. And these are the sheets, so I will just use one for the testing purpose just to show you. But they have also a fluorescent orange, fluorescent blue, and the other fresh and the clear color. So let me just use this brush. So just warm it, put it on this palette, and then start coloring. So you can see, so they are also good for beginners or the wet technique or the dry technique is up to the things to use. And as this, the size is really compact and the colors are really vibrant, as you can see. So they have a really portable watercolor set and very nice color. The brush is also very pointed and really nice quality, so you can design. And all these different colors will give a really nice combination that you can start with. So say like this is a different color that I'm trying to use. And you can see like the feel on it. Say like a pumpkin shade. So you can see the color here. And this also have like the sparkle one or the other shade. So I'm just trying to show because I cannot show all the colors and things, but I can show like some of that. So say like the glitter thing, and it have also have some glitters in it. So that's cool too. So overall, it's a really nice shade set and really nice paintbrush set with all this watercolor sheets, brush, and anyone you want to use. So very nice set and very good to learn.